How to increase mining speed on CityPool? Are guys facing issues to increase your mining speed on CityPool application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To increase the speed of mining on CityPool application, first of all, open the CityPool app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for buy over here. Just simply tap on buy. After you click on buy, you can see this option for speed over here. You are looking to increase the speed of mining, right? In order to increase the speed, just simply select the one according to your preference. Once you select the option, scroll down and select the package that you want to purchase. Once you select the option, just simply tap on buy. Once you click on buy, you need to write down your transaction details. As soon as you finish your transaction details, your mining speed will be increased. And that's it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.